Here are the 3 best ways to revise. First one is active recall. So this means you teach yourself whatever topic you're trying to learn from whatever resource you've got. And then what you do is you close up that resource, and then on a blank piece of paper, you write down everything you can remember. Then you open up your revision tool, then you can check how much you've remembered and how much you haven't, and that tells you exactly what you need to work on. Alternatively, you can use a friend or a family member, which is what I used to do. They can read from flashcards or quiz you from a textbook, see how much you can remember. Number 2 is space practice. So basically you want to space out when you are doing your revision. So you can use something called the 2, 3, 5, 7 method. So you can look at something and then 2 days later, look at that same topic. And then 5 days later, look at that. And then 7 days later, look at it again. See how much you can remember. In schools, we use this as starter questions or retrieval questions. So that is where you are doing these questions which you have done in the past, and it's trying to retrieve it from your brain. It is a very good way to be able to memorize and understand topics. And the last one is past papers. So making sure that you do past papers in time conditions. There is no point doing them where you've got the mark scheme there to just look at. You need to do them in time conditions without distractions. That means no phone, no family members, friends. Do them in time conditions, see how much you can do. Once your time is up, you want to mark it with the mark scheme, but you want to make sure that you're harsh with the mark scheme, okay? It can then give you an idea of what topics that you are, again, struggling with that subject, and then you can focus those other revision methods we just spoke about to make sure you work on those weaker areas. If you want extra support, head over to the link in my bio where you can sign up for our tuition. If you've finished most of the past papers already in your revision, you can also get predicted papers from my link. Okay, just click over there and use the discount code COUNT10 for a further 10% off. But most importantly, good luck for your revision in your GCSEs, and please put in the comments any topics you want videos on.